Praise God and welcome everyone to another episode of the journey through the Apostolic succession.
CCC 880. When Christ instituted the 12, he constituted them in the form of a college or permanent assembly, at the head of which he placed Peter, chosen from among them. Just as by the Lord's institution, St. Peter and the rest of the apostles constitute a single apostolic college, so in like fashion the Roman Pontiff, Peter's successor, and the bishops and the successors of the apostles are related with and united to one another. Today we hear about Pope Julius III, who led the Church for a little over 5 years as the 221st Pope from 1550 to 1555. He was born as Giovanni Maria Ciocchi del Monte in Rome 1487. He went on to study law at Perugia and Siena. When his uncle, the Archbishop of Manfredonia, vacated his see to become cardinal, Del Monte succeeded him as Archbishop. This later resulted in his position as Archbishop of Pavia and Bishop of Siponto. Under Pope Paul III, Del Monte was made cardinal, Bishop of Palestrina. During his time in this position, he participated in the Council of Trent, where he served as senior papal legati. After the death of Pope Paul III, the 48 cardinals electing the new pope were split into 3 fractions. Giovanni Maria Ciocchi del Monte was a compromise candidate between the 3 factors and became Pope Julius III, the 221st Pope on 1550. Now let's hear about his papacy. Pope Julius was a well-meaning but easygoing man. He favored his relatives, spent money lavishly, and loved good times. But on the other hand, as elected pope, he realized that a reform of the church was urgent. He appointed a commission that recommended resumption of the Council of Trent, which Julius reopened on May 1st, 1551. Unfortunately, military and political problems led to its second suspension in 1552. He also attempted to stop cardinals from receiving too many benefices and to restore monastic discipline. His interest in the Society of Jesus, a religious order founded by Ignatius of Loyola, influenced him to establish the Collegium Germanicum in 1552 to train German priests in Rome under the Jesuits. During his pontificate, Catholicism was restored in England under Queen Mary I. In 1553, he welcomed England back into the Church. Though short-lived, this was one of the highlights of his papacy. His patronage of Renaissance thought led him to reform the Roman University, to build the Church of St. Andrew in Rome, and to appoint Palestrina as choir master of St. Peter's, with Michelangelo as the church's principal architect. His papacy ended with his death in 1555 due to some ailments. Pope Julius III was succeeded by Pope Marcellus II.
Thank you all for supporting and listening, and please stay tuned for our next episode. And please like and share and spread the good news to all those around you. For Christ and for the Church, may God bless you.